What's up, guys? My name is Aaron Maurer. It's my brother Jared Maurer. We're with the Savage 3 Tackle Company, and we are getting ready to go on a 3-day fishing trip this weekend. We need a live well. There's a pretty big mullet in the in Lynn Haven. We don't have a live well on the boat, so we're getting this cooler. We got a bilge pump.
Here we go.
We went to Lowe's today. We got some 16 gauge heat seal wire connectors, gator clips, red and black, 16 gauge wire.
Yeah, we picked 16 because the wire off this bilge pump says 16 AWG.
Yeah,
so that's why we went with 16.
Yeah, you want to keep the same wire. Just bilge pump we got at a yard sale. Got some 3/4 tubing.
Yeah,
you want to tell them what you did there?
So this barb fitting they had for a 3/4 ID hose didn't have any. I had this stuff laying around, so I've got a tap and die. So I tapped this female, and then I put some threads on the barbed end, so that way when we go to put it together,
it screws right on.
Screws on and does what we need it to do.
Yep. So y'all are gonna watch us pipe this in, and we're gonna mount it here at the front of the boat and then run the wires out of it and hook it up under the center console. So we're gonna give it a whirl.
You get these cutters at any warehouse, Home Depot, Lowe's.
Yep. Makes it a lot easier. Yep. So now what we're going to do, our idea is this pipe here is going to have holes in it to spray water. This T down here that we'll show you later is going to push water to have it circulate. It's what we hope. Alright.
Yeah.
You want to get a drill? Oh, we got to cut the thing in the
Oh yeah, let's do that.
Yeah, so we've got this reducer to go to 1/2 inch, and then from 1/2 inch to probably 1/4 inch. And we're gonna cut this off because I don't have a straight, and it's a 90.
Yep.
That way
we'll put that there. So the smaller hole will build pressure. That way we still get pressure up here to blow water out. And we're dry fitting all this in case none of it works. We can just take it apart and redo it. So make sure you dry fit it the first time you do it. We didn't even put any 5200 on the bilge pump in case we got to move it and do whatever. We still haven't decided what we're going to do with these wires. We're either going to drill a hole, fill it with silicone, run it out the side, or run it out right by the hinge. We don't know yet. So we'll figure it out.
All right, we're back. So yeah, I just took that in, took it in there, cut it off the hacksaw, and we're gonna cut a little piece.
So guys, this is what we think we're gonna go with right here.
Small slit.
Small. This is probably 4 or 5 inches. What do we got there?
Probably 3.5 inches total.
Yep, off the 90.
Yeah, off the 90.
5 inches total. And then down here, that's where we had that little 3/8 cut off. So that pushes the current around. Bilge pump. We're gonna run the wire out of here. We're gonna go set it up there on the front of the boat and run it to the center console. Final. Guys, this is what we come up with. Small slit. Drain coming out, spinning. Yep, Sailor likes it. She's ready to.
She approved of it.
She has approved. So we are going to drain it and then put it in the boat and wire it up and get ready for the weekend. Now that we got everything to where we want it, those crimps we got, we're gonna go ahead and heat them up so they shrink, suck up, and seal these wires, because y'all know anything on the boat will get wet. So that's why we bought these connectors. Oh yeah.
See how it gripped around?
Oh yeah. Alright, so we're gonna do it. That's what we had when we started. Right there. Then, when we finished heating it, look how nice and tight that is. Wanna watch out? How nice and tight that is. That's pretty good. Alright guys, clean the cooler up. Got it in here. If you've ever fished in the ocean in a boat, you know you gotta cinch everything down, strap it down. We got cooler in. We got it nice and tight. We like it like this because mullet are jumpers. That way this lid stays closed. You don't ever want to leave the lid open when you got mullet in there. If you catch a lot of mullet, you know what I'm talking about. They will leap right on out the boat, right out the water. $5,200 on there. And I like to use a screwdriver because it won't strip the plastic. You know, you can just get it down there and just kind of cinch it tight and it won't blow it out. Use a drill, get a little sketchy. Alright, so we've got LiveWell in, wires going that way. So we got our little helper with us. Now we're gonna run the wires out the back of this, under there, and then we're gonna hook them up under the center console. And then see it, that's how much stream is coming out. While they're filling it up, Jared, we went ahead and hooked it up to this toggle. It Yeah, that was
we
the
can-
old lights that were right here that we took off. And now we can just, boop, hit the switch. There it goes. So guys, it's the easy way. If you ain't got a big live well on your boat, it's an easy way to do it. Yeah, got some mullies in our live well. See, we got some old. They're pretty big, they're pretty lively too. We've had them in here since 8 o'clock. It is 1. See how they're all congregated in that corner, just getting it in the current. What we want. Yeah, testing out the new live well. Full of good sized finger mullet. We got a few hand sized in there. We're draining it. About to put fresh water in there. We are having a problem with scales getting up into the slots. We're gonna have to put a filter system on it somehow, but other than that, it's working pretty good. All right, refill.